To connect Shopify to ShipStation for streamlined order fulfillment, follow these steps. Sign up for ShipStation. If you haven't already, sign up for your ShipStation account at ShipStation.com. Access integrations. Log into your ShipStation account. Navigate to settings and then selling channels or integration partners. Add Shopify store. Click on Connect a Store or Marketplace and select Shopify from the list of available integrations. Authorize ShipStation. Follow the prompts to authorize ShipStation to access your Shopify store. You may need to log into your Shopify account and grant permissions. Configure settings. Once connected, configure settings such as shipping options, default packaging, and automation rules within ShipStation to streamline order processing. Sync orders. ShipStation will automatically sync orders from your Shopify store. You can view, manage, and fulfill orders directly from the ShipStation dashboard. Shipping labels and tracking. Generate shipping labels, track shipments, and manage returns efficiently using ShipStation's tools. Customization and support. Customize workflows and utilize ShipStation support resources for any questions or issues related to order fulfillment and integration.